Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fashion Designs. I hope you are all fine and in best of health. Today I am here with a new video, and in this video you guys can see there are new hairstyle designs, very good looking hairstyle designs. And I request you all to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos notification updates. And this hairstyle designs are very beautiful and simple, and you guys can easily make at home. And if you don't want to make at home, so your beautician easily make this type of hairstyle. And this hairstyle is very good for parties and some wedding programs, etc. And I hope you like these designs. If you are new at my channel, I again request you to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos. And always watch my video till end. If you like these designs, this hairstyle designs, so please like my video, share it with your friends, and always give your feedback in comment section. Your feedback tell me that my video is good or bad. And give your feedback about these videos, and tell me in comment section what type of videos you want. I make those type of videos for you. And visit 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 my channel. There are more hairstyle designs in my channel, and you guys must like this videos also. So always connect with me and with my channel, and always watch my new video at 2 p.m. or 12 p.m. on daily basis. So take care of yourself, your family, your belongings, and remember me in your prayers. Goodbye.